So, had a little issue, but we got it here. So, we can log in. I already have one, but we're just going to, for sake of argument, we're going to register. We're going to say Amy Johnson. Password is... Alright, so we registration successfully. Please log in. So again, we're gonna put Amy Johnson. Put that. Yowzer. Oh, I just forgot that password that quick. Okay, we're just gonna log into mine. Because I don't know how I just forgot that quick. Like, I literally just typed this in here. Oh, Jesus. Okay, having brain farts. Let's slow down. Awesome. So, log in. Then we're going to go to Python main.py. We're going to put our name in here. Alright. So it populates. We're going to hit 2. Because I previously added some things. So you see here, I added them here. So just to make sure, again, everything works, we're going to hit 1. I just spent today $52 on lunch. Okay. We're going to show that balance. You see it right here. We're going to hit 6. We're going to exit that out. It has us with that goodbye. Everything works perfectly. Thank Jesus. I'm sorry for rambling through this. But basically, in app.python or py, we're just going to say py, I set up the flash routes for login, registration, and transactions. In transactions.py, I created functions like the add transaction and the view transactions. These handles the logic of storing and retrieving the data. The template folder contains HTMLs for the web, of course. Junja2, it renders certain content in transactions for the list and charts. My list and charts is not yet working functionally yet, but we're going to get it there by the time everything is due. A few hurdles that I did face is I constantly was getting the internal server error for my Flask because it couldn't find my templates. So I literally had to go in and manually input each template folder into the system so it can register it because it wasn't pulling from my repo anymore. So I had to delete everything and then reclone it back to the system so it can pull it correctly. So yeah, that was definitely one of the biggest hurdles that I did have to do. In addition to just the hurdles, my research that I did use was JSON for storage transaction before eventually moving towards the structure setup that I currently have. I'm currently still looking through the charts library to figure out how to implement that into my Flask and to make everything coexist together and work properly without getting any more internal errors. So basically, this is my personal finance tracker app or website, if you want to call it, to manage, edit, add, delete all different transactions. Hopefully at the end of this project in this class, my charts and graphs will be able to populate so you can see the differences there to do a quick compare and contrast. Thank you for watching and have a great day.